how's it going? It's Jamie, the crafty DIY guy, and I'm back. I've got some Dollar Tree DIY gift basket ideas for you. Today we're going to be reviewing some stuff for the teenagers. Maybe it's a boy or a girl, your mom, maybe it's for a teacher, maybe it's for dad, maybe it's for an uncle, maybe it's even something for a neighbor. We've got a little bit of everything for you today. And the great thing about it is they're all from Dollar Tree, and they're all really inexpensive ways that you can kind of collect some really fun stuff and make some great gift ideas for someone without spending a fortune. Now, before I get into all of these, I do of course have to say thank you to my OGs, my old friends who have been with me subscribing from the very beginning. I truly, truly, truly appreciate you guys. And if you are brand new to the channel, of course, welcome. And I'm glad that you're here as well. And if YouTube happened to suggest this video to you or recommend it to you, thank you, YouTube. But of course, also welcome to you. And maybe you'll get inspired by some of these ideas. You know, the great thing about these is that they're really flexible and you can do whatever you want with them. Okay, now our first gift basket is kind of for that lady that maybe she is into reality TV, maybe she likes yoga, maybe she's into taking care of herself and just smell good stuff, and you know, maybe even like some of that Hollywood gossip. I think this is a great one, and it's only $7 because you can get everything, like I said, at Dollar Tree. That includes this. Now, none of these baskets that I'm going to show you include any of the like raffia or that Easter grass stuff, the basket filler. It doesn't include like shrink wrap and things. I didn't want to do any of that on these because one, you don't have to. And two, I wanted you to be able to see what was in them. And hopefully things like this will inspire you to kind of create your own. So in this first basket, we've got a candle that says Namaste on the front. What I love about this one is that it's actually a mahogany and tea scent, and it's really wonderful. This one probably will end up staying in my house because I'm greedy like that. The other thing that I found was that aroma diffuser that you can pick up at some Dollar Tree stores now. It's battery operated and you can get some aromatherapy oils. I couldn't find any for this particular one. That could be something that you could easily pick up almost at any store. If you're lucky enough to grab them at Dollar Tree as well, that could even work for you. The other thing that I grabbed was this great oatmeal and lemon soap. Again, you're thinking of, you know, the senses and like things that are going to smell good. Like imagine the person using this is taking a long hot bubble bath in one of those gigantic bathtubs, and they don't have a care in the world because they've got the smell goods, they've got the candle going, they've got these hot and cold packs on their eyes that look like kiwis. I thought that those were super, super cute. You can put those in the freezer, and they help with, I think, swelling and stuff. I wouldn't know because you can clearly see from my eyes. The other thing I grabbed was that brush that you can find at some Dollar Trees now, this little sonic brush. It does take batteries as well. I've heard that this can be a little aggressive, but clean the tile with it, you know. And then this book, I love this. This was by Robert J. Wagner. It is called I Loved Her Into the Movies. And I think it's probably like a Natalie Wood kind of a book, but super, super cool and definitely Hollywood gossip. And hello, how about this gold basket that you can use afterwards for anything you want, really. So I'm just gonna pop these down off of my table here and throw them in the box that I have next to me. And then we're gonna jump into the other one. This is a cool option for somebody that maybe loves to cook. I think that this could also work really well. Let's say you've got a teenager and maybe the teenager is just now kind of experimenting with cooking and learning how to cook. Why not get them some great supplies at Dollar Tree that they can use to cook with, and even some like mixes and things that won't take a whole lot of ingredients. You can definitely supervise when you're doing this. This could be really fun for a teacher. This could be really fun for a neighbor. You could do a adult version of something like this, of course, and put some liquor in it, but you can't get that at Dollar Tree. So in this particular one, we've got, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8 worth of stuff in this one. So we've got a spoonula. I love these. If you don't use these in your kitchen, you're missing out. And then of course a spatula, or no, this isn't a spatula, duh, the whisk. That's the spatula spoonula thing. And then I mentioned some mixes. These are great if you haven't tried these yet. They are Betty Crocker. They are chocolate chip muffins, and you literally just add water. That's all you do. And because you're going to add water, you're going to want it to put it in a mixing bowl of some kind, so you can mix it up there. And then check that out. Set of measuring cups from Dollar Tree. They were $1, and you've got everything from, I think it's from like the smallest one that I can't see because I'm blind, and the big one. So you got a lot of them. And then here's a cookbook. Now this is not dessert related, but you know that Dollar Tree has all kinds of fun cookbooks, and they definitely have some dessert ones. This happens to be one for those veggie noodles, so you can create all kinds of stuff. But you can imagine if you wanted to go more savory or something like this, you could get this kind of book. You could still get the measuring cup thing here. You could still get the utensils. You could probably find some other savory type, maybe some seasonings or some spices. You can really do a lot with those. And then this tool is the best tool ever made in the world. This is a chopper. If you guys don't see these at your Dollar Tree, like hunt them down. Kind of looks like a star on the end. This is so good for chopping up meat. Let's say, or vegetables even. Let's say you are cooking and maybe you're making tacos. And you know how the ground beef, you've always got to chop it up and break it up? With this, that's all you got to do. And you literally just are doing it like this. And this thing is amazing. I don't have the Dollar Tree version of this. I have it now. But I have another version of this, and I have hooked so many friends on that tool right there. I'm telling you, I have gone to Dollar Tree, and I think every time I go, I pick one up because I'm putting it in gift baskets for friends. And then the other version of it, the more expensive one that I think I paid $8 for, I bought for my mom and my sister last year. And everybody loves it in the family. That little chopper thing would be a gift all by itself, I feel like. Something for the guys. I love socks. And if you guys know me, you know I love my crazy socks. And Dollar Tree has a fantastic lineup of socks. They've got fun flamingos. They've got fun camping stuff. Koala bears, martinis. I mean, look at these foxes, donuts, hamburgers, tacos, and then balloons. But what's great about doing something like this is you've got, let me see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a $10 gift. And what's super cool about this is those socks are of course fun, but this is something they can put in the dresser. This is something they could put on top of the dresser. It could go inside the dresser. It can organize things. It could even go in the bathroom. There's a lot of great uses for something like that. So when you're looking for something to kind of hold your gift basket, just don't think of like a basket. Think about trays. Think about buckets. Think about the measuring cup. There's a lot of different fun ways that you can do those. Also, just speaking about containers in general, this would be a great dad box. It looks like a little briefcase. It's a kind of a cardboard box. I found it in the hardware section at Dollar Tree. They also had one that looked like a toolbox. They had another one that looked like a different kind of suitcase, I think it was. And again, super fun. What I would do with it probably is put it up like that. And put the lid on the back side of it and then fill it up with whatever you want and then shrink wrap it, put some stuffing in there, and it could be really, really cute. They also have these little baskets that it's taped right here, but they have handles, and look, it's a 3-pack. So if you've got kids, you can get one basket for each kid. Maybe there's 3, maybe there's one for your husband, maybe there's one for each of the kids. But you've got 3 containers right there for $1. And they're pretty good size. I mean, they would hold a lot of the stuff that we've got in here. Another great idea, I think, for a teenager, maybe like a teenage boy, could be a fun basket just with some of his own kind of bath supplies. And again, it's a great basket because it's got a handle on it. You can carry it in and out of the bathroom really easy. Maybe it's even for somebody going off to college, hopefully first quarter, second quarter. We'll be going back to school in most places. I know that there's still some virtual colleges going on. And this, they had some really great men's shampoo, and this is the 3-in-1. So you can do your, or 2-in-1, I'm sorry. It's a shampoo and conditioner, and it's a charcoal bamboo scent, and it's wonderful. And then they had the matching body wash. So here you get the body wash and the shampoo, conditioner. And by the way, don't you think that this looks pretty high end? To me, it looks like something that you would get at Bath and Body Works. This was from Dollar Tree. Oh, and by the way, this basket was, let me see, $6. $6 gift idea. So you've got the 2 shampoo and conditioner and body wash, and then you've got the great basket. And then there is a scrub brush for the guys. It's a green color. They make them in blue, and I think they make them in red. But, maybe it's a teen. Maybe he needs to start, figuring out how to clean that skin every day because acne or different things are showing up. That's a great way to get him hooked on cleaning his face. And then I thought this was just fun. A sewing kit. You're going to lose buttons. You're going to do different things. You're going to need to sew up a hole maybe in a sock. I wouldn't probably sew up a hole in my sock, but I think you understand what I'm trying to say. The sewing kit, it's a great thing to keep. It's a great thing for guys to have on hand, and it's something that they can keep in the dresser drawer. And then I thought these were fun. Just some Band-Aids that are camo Band-Aids. You get a boo-boo, you're a guy, butch it up, put a camo Band-Aid on it, and then again, you've got that great basket. So again, something super cute and kind of cool for the teens. And I was kind of thinking teenage boys when I was putting that one together. This one could be fun for a teenage girl. And again, you've got a great gold basket. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me see. Ooh, I don't know if I counted that. $7 or $8 right here for this gift basket. And again, super, super cute the way it is. It's weighted down because of the things that are in it. And shrink wrap it, put some raffia or something in the bottom of it, and you've got a fun gift basket for girls. So this one has a great sponge in it. It has a great thing of body wash. This is a White Rain body wash that I like a lot. This is an ocean scent. A floral scent, anything would work as well. These are super cool if you've not seen these yet. These are shower fizzies. And what's great about these is they're kind of like, it's not really like a bath bomb, but you put these in the bottom, like you're taking a shower, right? You just throw one of these in the bottom of the shower. And as the water starts to hit it, it starts to fizz and scent up the shower. It's actually really, really cool. There's a eucalyptus flavor. I didn't taste it. There's a eucalyptus scent, and then this one is just kind of a, I don't really know what this one is. It doesn't say. But we're going to assume it's going to be floral. How about that? And then bath salts. Again, if your teenager wants to take a bath, it's a great way for her to, kind of pretend she's a big fancy adult and take a bath. A great glycerin soap here that has a loofah inside of it. It's a orange scent, so I think that's kind of cute. And then I thought this was fun. This is temporary hair color. And this is purple hair color, so why not? It's temporary. It'll wash out. Let her have some fun with it. Some great comfy socks. These are the, is it Snuggadoos? And I love these. They're Snuggadoo. And these are super fun. I grabbed some of these for myself. And then again, she's got this great wire basket to be able to keep things in. I love this. Thought it was super cute. And I'm going to actually give some of these away to some friends and to some neighbors. That's another thing about these gift baskets is our neighborhood has a elf, like a secret elf program. And you just drop one of these off on a neighbor's front porch with a little note in it that says it's from the Jefferson Park elf in my neighborhood. And, you encourage people to pay it forward and do another little gift basket for somebody else. So you never know. You never know where these could come in handy. I think these could also come in really handy if you have that surprise gift. You know how that friend comes over during the holidays and you're going to get together for maybe just cocktails or something. And then all of a sudden they've got a gift and it's really awkward because you don't have a gift for them either. And you're like, what am I going to do? you could grab one of these and very easily have a gift. This is another, I'm going to call this a dad basket. I think that this could work really well for dad. Kind of similar to the teenage boy, one. It's got some socks in it. Again, I've got 4 pair of socks in here. So that's $4 right there. And these are just like some work socks and then some athletic socks and just a little bit thicker socks. And the green and the blue. So that's $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9. So less than $10. Again, a great basket. They have this in gold. I've seen it in black. You could really get any color you wanted. These are hilarious to me. I bought these. And they are dude wipes for the guys to wipe their parts with. And I assume this might be like maybe if in emplacement of a, well, okay, I lied. This is dude face wipes. These are not for your parts, so don't be wiping your parts with these. I think I did that wrong. But they're dude face wipes. You just come from the gym. This is a great thing to throw in your gym bag. You can wipe your face with it. And again, what's cool about it is it's kind of got its own packaging here. And it's got this little door lid, and you just pop it out of there like a Kleenex, and everything stays intact. This is a great soap. I love this soap. It's a charcoal eucalyptus soap. This is such a good soap because it smells really, really good. And this is one of my favorites. Every time I'm at Dollar Tree, I buy one of these for sure. And then remember those earlier body washes that I showed you for the teenage boy? This is another set and another scent that they had. And this is a cedar wood and eucalyptus. And again, it's the shampoo, conditioner, or that's the body wash, but then also the shampoo, conditioner all in one in this one here. And again, look how high end and fancy these look. To me, again, they look like something that you would get at like a Bath and Body Works. And great tray. It could go in the dresser. It could easily go on top of the dresser. It could go in the bathroom. There's a lot of great things. And then honestly, if they don't use it and you use it, that's all good too. And then the last one I have is kind of more of, this is kind of what I was thinking about for my mom maybe, and kind of including some of this stuff in her stocking. But again, it's kind of a bath related, basket. I love taking a bath personally. I don't have a bathtub that's big enough for me, but when I travel, or when I used to travel for work, I would go and get a hotel room as often as I could with a giant bathtub. But again, a great scrub brush. They have these at Dollar Tree. This could be paired up easily with any of those other baskets that you saw. And then you've got this under eye roller that I also picked up from Dollar Tree. Again, with the facial brush, I was able to grab 3 of those when I went out. So those are going to be probably some gifts. I don't want to say for who. And then I've got this candle making kit that I picked up at Dollar Tree. And again, super cute. You can make their own candles, so it's kind of interactive. That could be really fun for the teen. And then these great slippers that were also $1 from Dollar Tree. And then this round gold basket. So again, we're talking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. This was a $6 gift basket, you guys. I feel like I'm like selling on QVC or something right now because this is such a good deal. That does not look like a $6 basket to me. And again, fluff them up with some raffia, fix them up with some cellophane or some shrink wrap if you can find it. You can probably find it on Amazon. You don't need to buy a heat gun as long as you've got a hairdryer. A hairdryer will work. It will take a little bit longer, but a hairdryer definitely will work. If you have the crafting heat gun that you use to dry paint, that will work for shrink wrap as well. But these are just some simple, cool DIY gift basket ideas that I hope you guys like. All right, take care.